Welcome, in front of me I have WIKO View 3, and today I will show you how we can connect this HUAWEI AM61 wireless earbuds. So at the first you have to move them into the pairing mode. You can make it by clicking and holding this middle button, and take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the red and blue color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So you have to open the notification bar, go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone, click to pair new device, and after a few moments we will get here the AM61. So tap on them once, accept pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.